Most people buy newer cars and live normal lives with modern things, and they probably look at this and think it's obsolete. It's 30 years old, 15-inch wheels, shaped like a brick. By today's standards, this probably wouldn't be a relevant product in the market. But I don't know. I think it's going to outlast pretty much everything built today. And I've started realizing simple things age better. I guess most of my life I thought like newer is better, automatically by default with new cars and phone technology, seriously. I mean, new everything. That was just the way it was, and I just kind of accepted that as the reality. And I always felt like it was exciting for 5 minutes, and then the novelty wears off, and the more complicated stuff gets, I think the quicker it feels old. Like simple stuff just kind of sticks around and does its job. Um, Imagine you buy like a plain set of suede tennis shoes, like old school Adidas. That's what I buy. And you buy them brand new and you put them in a box and you open it 5 years later and decide, I'm going to start wearing these. Well, they're not going to seem old 5 years later. You can open them up and they're still shoes. Um, but if you did the same thing with like an iPhone, you put it away for 5 years, then decided to use it, or even a new car, it would feel old and obsolete, and just like a plain pair of Adidas, this Jeep isn't really like that impressive in terms of technology. Like it's kind of slow and it has kind of a drony exhaust note, and the heater takes a minute. But it does get nice and warm, and it works fine. And in reality, the simplicity of this thing kind of makes it feel like it doesn't really age. It doesn't really need much. I can fix it with pretty much anything, tools and a manual. And that's something you can't buy anymore. It's still completely usable and it's still relevant in terms of its task that it needs to perform. And I guess I've come to the point where that's what I care about most. Not really fancy, it's just dependable. And not every old car is perfect. I recently bought this old Lincoln Mark 7 LSC, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Like I thought it was a home run deal. I bought it for $1,700. I drove it home. It drove great, and within a week there was some issues. But the reality of older cars, I mean, it's a humbling experience. Now I've got probably like $2,500 into it with tires and some miscellaneous parts, trying to figure out why it won't run right. A couple bad distributors, like it's hard to find a good distributor. The aftermarket ones are all junk, and so it took me a little time to figure that out, but I know now. Little stuff, but I mean, I'm still not really mad at it. That's just part of having old stuff, but they can't all be home runs like this Jeep. That's just unrealistic, and even with the losses, it's fixable. And new stuff, when it breaks, it's pretty much done. There's no like kit to carb swap a 2015 Kia Forte when the direct injection goes to crap. At least with these vehicles, there are options to revert them to old technology if you have to. Physical stuff in life that's built to do a job, it never really truly becomes obsolete. Um, and I'm sure at some point, like when you're a kid, somebody somewhere, your grandparents, they had like an old wooden kitchen table or something, or a china hutch, and it's there your whole life, and it's older than you, and maybe your parents like ate at the same table, and it's got coffee stains that go through every grain of the wood, but like it's still a good table, like nobody calls it outdated or obsolete. It's just a table. But a 10-year-old phone seems ancient. Like a 100-year-old table is still a table. Technology ages so fast, I mean, it doesn't really age, it just expires. And old hand tools are the same way, I've got wrenches in my garage and stuff that are like older than me that I've gotten at garage sales and wherever, and I still use it. Like, it still fits bolts. You know what I mean? Like, that doesn't really happen with modern stuff when technology is implemented. Like some people are into cast iron pans, and like leather jackets and old furniture, and they don't like really ever stop being a jacket or a table or a pan. Like, they don't get worse, they just get character. And actually, I realize that's kind of cool. Everything's a story. If it's something that's just simple and remains relevant, I mean, and can still be used. In this Jeep and the old cars I own, like, they're more like that. It's like an old table or an old tool. Something just hangs on a pegboard waiting to be used, And it's all good. When I look at new cars and brand new screens and softwares and sensors and whatever, I wonder what they're going to be like in 30 years. And I don't think they're going to be like this Jeep or my Lincoln, where I can still go out and use it as a normal thing. I don't have payments. These are all cheap cars, and I just want stuff that works. The rest is just noise. It's all noise. I go out in these old cars that most people say like they're obsolete in terms of performance and stuff, but it's like, it's enough. And I don't think people look at it like that anymore. Like, it's enough. Like, that's a big statement to say, this does everything I need. And I think a lot of people forgot. They don't realize like what necessity is. Like, I don't have payments, I don't have subscriptions to worry about. And Google Pay and software updates, these things, these complicated things, it's just, these are all something that just still old works, like Grandpa's old table. And honestly, like, hell or high water, I can keep this thing alive in my driveway. And it's not obsolete, it's staying power. And maybe that's the lesson, like, simple things don't expire. They just get character. They just keep showing up. It's a tool hanging on the pegboard waiting to pound a nail. Simple things age better. They just age better. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm trying to convey the reasoning here. It's not just finances, it's simplicity and new stuff with tech. It's gonna feel old. Imagine if Grandpa's table had a touchscreen in the middle for Alexa. In 30 years, when that's not supported, it's just this weird table with an obsolete screen. But spend smart, drive safe, have fun.